Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 40 minus 12 then divide 3 multiply 2. Okay, so now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS P E M D A and S. First priority is P means parenthesis. Second priority is E means exponents. Third priority is M means multiplication and D means division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this problem, here we have one subtraction, one division and one multiplication. So first priority is multiplication and division, then we have to solve addition and subtraction. Okay. But multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, then we have to solve this multiplication. Okay, so is equal to 40 minus 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 multiply 2. Now one subtraction and one multiplication is left. Okay, so multiplication first priority, then we have to solve subtraction. So 40 minus, now 4 multiplied 2 is equal to 8. Now 40 minus 8 is equal to 32. Okay, so the correct answer is 32. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.